Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to clone a website and download its source code in a simple way. This method is useful for learning web design, studying layouts, or practicing development. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now go to the search bar and type Website Downloader extension. From the results, choose a reliable extension and click on Add to Chrome. Then confirm by clicking on Add Extension and wait for it to install. Once the extension is installed, click on the extensions icon at the top right corner of Chrome and pin the website downloader extension so you can easily access it anytime. Now, go to the website that you want to clone. After the website fully loads, simply click on the extension icon. You will see an option to download the website. Click on it and the extension will start downloading all the files including HTML, CSS, images, and other resources. After the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and open it. You'll see that the entire website structure has been saved on your computer. You can now open the HTML file in your browser and view the cloned version of the website offline. And that's it. Now you know how to download and clone a website easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.